Once again, hello everyone. Today we are going to do the latest updated version of which logo is real quiz from Video Facts website. So now let's start the quiz. Okay, the coming question has got the two different version or types, so you need to watch the image very carefully and you have to find the fake logo. So I'll only show you the fake logo here, other image I will not show. So in the version 1 of this question, if you find this sort of image in the question, okay, this sort of image, then just click this sort of image. This is the fake logo, so you must have to click this one in the image. Now in version 2 of this question, if you find this sort of logo TSL, you can see this, then just click this. This is the fake logo, so please click TSL if you find this sort of question. This coming question has got the three different version or type, so you need to watch the image and also the options or alternatives carefully. And one more thing, each version has three images same and one image is always different. So I'll show you here. In version 1 of this question, you can see these three images on A, C and D are same, but B is always different. So I have clicked B as the correct answer. So you need to see this carefully. In version 2 of this question, you can see again A, C and D are same but B is different. So I have clicked B as the answer. So you must have to see this, okay. One is always different and its position may be different but it's always different. Other three are same. Now in version 3 of this question, you can see the same images are here but only one image is different. And that's the IBM written here, you can see this. So that's the wrong one. You must have to see this, okay. All the three are same and this only different. Now this coming question has got the 3 different version or type, so you need to watch the image very carefully. And this is just like the previous question, only one image is different and you must have to choose this. For example, in version 1 you can see, if you find this sort of image, okay, this sort of image, then the correct answer is this FedEx one. So you need to see the image very carefully with full details, don't be rush away, okay. Now in version 2 of this question, if you find this sort of image, you can see here just like the previous one, but one thing is different, that's the DHL. You can see DHL is different one. So if you find this sort of image, then just click DHL in the options or alternative. Now in version 3 of this question, if you find this sort of image, you can see here on left hand side, then just click DSV. You must have to see the options or an image very carefully. Now for this coming question, you can see the Microsoft here. This is the correct one, but many of you find it difficult for you to solve this question. So I will give you some hints in this question. The first hint is that the letter F and T should be joined one, and you can see here this F and T are not joined, so this doesn't qualify them as the answer. So we'll cross this one. The next hint is that the letter I and C should not be nearer to each other. So you can see I and C are close to each other, so we will not qualify this as the answer. Now the next hint is that the letter Microsoft should not be too dark one. You can see here this is too dark, so we'll disqualify this as the answer. Now the last hint is that the letter Microsoft should not be too dark, not too bright. And you can see this is too bright, so we'll disqualify this as the answer and qualify this as the correct one. Now this coming question also has got the 2 different version or type, and in each version there is a video. So you must have to see the first 10 seconds of the video, where you have to find whether it is written fake or real. For example, you can see here in version 1, after pausing the video in 10 seconds, you can see it is written here how many real logos can you spot at the beginning. So if you find this, then the correct answer is 7-1. So you need not have to see the whole video, you just have to see the first part of the video. Now in version 2 of this question, if you see how many fake logos can you spot. Previously it was true real logos, now fake logos. And if you find this as the fake logos, then just click 5 in the answer. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share this video.